Charlie DePari explains the advantages of having surge protection installed in your home.
Every home, in my opinion, in Central Florida should have a whole house surge protector, and then some maybe point of use surge protection for specific devices. When you get a surge into your electrical system, it measures electronically the extra voltage and it sends it to ground, to earth. If we could look at it on a scope, it spikes all the time. And what your surge protector does 24 hours a day is, if it sees it spike up, it dumps the excess voltage, the model that we use, in 1/1000th of a second. So it doesn't allow it to get to your electronic. And it goes to your grounding system. And one of the things, whoever does a surge protector, it's not a plug-in thing, it's hardwired to your main electrical panel and comes with a lifetime warranty. When it takes a hit, it resets. If it ever does fail or self-sacrifice, our manufacturer will replace it for